Welcome to Repton 3 from Superior Software.
Hello gamers, today's retro game playthrough will be an old classic BBC Microcomputer game from 1986. Repton 3 was the third in the series of Repton games, and I believe one of the better than the first and second versions. So Repton 3 is a scrolling puzzle maze type game where you have to run around collecting diamonds and avoiding getting squashed by falling boulders and monsters. So without further ado, let's boot up the BBM emulator and load the game.
Welcome to Repton 3 from Superior Software.
Okay, obviously I'm going to be using the arcade stick to play this today. So Repton as a game is quite simple to play. We've only got up, down, left and right movement. There's no jump, no fire, no picking things up. The only other key is there is a map available which I've not programmed to the arcade stick. So what we will do is we'll program the map to the arcade stick, so I haven't got to reach over to the keyboard for that. So the process for doing that is quite simple. We'll just come out of there for a moment and load up the Joy2Key utility. I've already got Repton 3 there and my arcade stick is on joystick 3. So we need to program one button for the map. We'll take button 1 to be the map, so we press M, okay, and then we want the start button connected to the space bar, so we'll take button 5 there, make that the space bar, okay, close that, and we'll go back to the emulator. So now all I have to do is press the start button on the arcade stick and we'll see how we can get on with Repton 3. Blast from the past, 1986. The trick is to not get any of these boulders dropping on your head. These safes, I think we need to find a key to open those. There's the key. usually a good idea to get the diamonds low down first, so that you don't risk trapping them. I think that was a mistake. Don't want to drop that boulder down there. Ah, the crown. You have to get the crown. So we'll activate the map and see where we've got to go. There's no time limit on this game, so you don't feel like you have to rush around. Okay, just that bottom corner to bottom right corner to get to. Can find the way across there. And there we go, level 1 complete. So that was a quick look at Repton 3 all the way from 1986.